Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add Celsius to Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Next, take a photo or video. Then, tap the location filter icon, which looks like a small thermometer, to access the temperature options. Make sure your device's location services are enabled for Snapchat to provide accurate temperature readings. This ensures the filter works correctly and displays the local temperature. To change the unit, access your Snapchat profile by tapping your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner. From your profile screen, navigate to the Settings menu, which is typically represented by a gear icon. Scroll down through the settings options until you locate the temperature unit setting. This is where you will make your selection. Once you have found the temperature unit setting, tap on it to reveal the available choices. You will typically see options like Fahrenheit and Celsius. Simply select Celsius from this list. Your Snapchat temperature filter will now be configured to display temperatures in degrees Celsius, providing the measurement you prefer. Now that your settings are updated, take a new snap. After capturing your photo or video, swipe left or right across the screen to browse through the various filters. Look for the temperature filter, which will now display the temperature in Celsius. Apply this filter to your snap to share the current temperature with your friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.